Hello and welcome to Quick Solution. In this video I'm going to make a review about the Monopoly Go game. So Monopoly Go is a casual take on the classic board where you roll 2 dice to move your piece around the iconic board, collecting cash or paying taxes along the way. Everything you know from Monopoly is here, but the rules have changed enough that Monopoly Go is even more ruthless version of the property buying game. That's saying something because Monopoly has always been take no prisoners experience. Anyone who had a misfortune of landing on a hotel Adorn Park Ave, space owned by your older brother, can attest to just how clear this game can be. This is by design and why we mostly stuck of playing Sorry when I was a kid and Monopoly Go. Your goal isn't to just collect money from your friends and strangers. You'll still do that because what is Monopoly? If you're not learning to handle landlords, but you're also actively trying to destroy their properties while robbing them blind. When you boot up the app, it'll encourage you to sign up your friends as well. Friends are strangers, will pop up on your board in various spaces. If you manage to land on your piece on one of these spaces, they'll pay your rent. The goal of the game is to earn enough money to complete landmarks across various maps, but build all 5 landmarks and max out their upgrades, and you'll move to the next map. It's simple enough, but you can really throw a wrench into your friends' plans by landing on a railroad. Space railroads and Monopoly Go will activate one of 2 activities: shutdown or bank heist. If he gets shut down, you'll get the chance to partially demolish a landmark one of your acquaintances has built. They can block it, but only a certain number of times. Landing on a bank heist will open up a match 3 games that let you rob your friends and family of all their money if you're lucky. Sadly, for people who've decided to add me as a friend in the game, I've been very lucky in that regard of the past week. Going bankrupt carries no real penalty, as it's impossible for you to go in debt, but it can provide a major setback for your progress, such as when I managed to steal about 70 million from another player, doing a mega heist that a player has since given up on the game, as have quite. Unfortunately, it seems that I'll be joining them soon enough. There are several deal breakers here that have me at deleting the app probably by this time article goes live. It's really aggressive with its in-app games. I have the absolute worst luck of landing on the go to the jail space, and it's a type of free-to-play game where it's almost necessary to keep opening up in case there is a 30 minutes limited time event that could go in a massive advantage. If I were in the market for a new mobile game to kick around for the next few weeks, Monopoly Go wouldn't be a bad choice, as it can be amusing from time to time. Hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe.